We are pleased to show you the 2013 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, fog lights, roof rack, speed control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.